Hello there. This is Science's Federico Dixon, and here at the Miracle of Florist. One thing I want to talk to you guys about today are the three basic elements that go into making an arrangement. What you have are line, volume, and accent. Now the line is basically the line of the arrangement. If you have an arrangement going straight up and down, sideways, at an awkward angle, something of that nature, that's your line. So you might start off with, let's say, your foliage, stems, bamboo. I know a lot of bamboo is used in like an ikebana arrangement, so you can do that. Then you go with the volume. The volume, for instance, is your baby breath, anything to kind of add volume to the arrangement. Then you go with your accent. Your accent are basically your flowers, your main, eye turners and stuff. Those the roses, tulips, sunflowers, whatever you're gonna go with. Those are your accents. So what we tend to do is, if you were gonna make a simple rose arrangement, you would put in the foliage first, then you put in the baby breath, and then you would top it off with red roses. So, or whatever color roses. Now that's pretty simple. There are a few other things that you can add to that to make the arrangement really burst, but that's pretty much the three basic things that go into making an arrangement. Where it really gets fun is when you take one of those elements away but still come up with a creative arrangement. So for instance, if you take line away but you only have volume and accent, or let's say baby breath and roses, now that's kind of, it's not as easy, and I won't say the experts are the only people that know how to do that, but it takes some creativity or just a good, what's the word, a good accident to happen to make something that looks appealing with just the volume and the accent. Or you can do a line and an accent. Let's say the foliage minus the baby breath, but just the roses, or the bamboo arrangement with, let's say, sunflower, the tulip, something along those lines. So then, where it really gets tough is when you only use one of those elements, and you make something so appealing. A lot of times people tend to call that sculpting when it comes to just making, just using one element. So that's pretty much what I want to talk to you guys about today, which is three basic elements. Once again, line, volume, and accent. And those are the things that we as florists use in the flower business. So not just flower business, but if you're doing something in your garden and you kind of want to mess around a little bit, you can even apply that to not just an arrangement, a flower arrangement, like a basket arrangement or whatever the case may be. So you guys have fun, enjoy, those three basic elements. If you want, take out one and see what else you guys can come up with. Once again, this is Federico Dixon from Miracle Florist, where miracles reside. I can't wait to see you. All right.